we got the 2018 FRS BRZ GT86. It's a BRZ. Let's check it out. We put on the INVIDIA Cat Back System. Chrome. Everything chrome.
Horse cock.
Gio's saying horse cock. I don't know if our new microphone caught that. But cat back, little resonator right here. The system took like 5 minutes to throw on. You could probably do it in your driveway if you'd like. It's a little easier if you have it on a lift. Bring it to your local shop. Two nice little cans back here. Those burnt blue tips and the iconic INVIDIA logo right there. Guys, this is a pretty cool system for our BRZ. We're gonna bring it down and let you hear it. We got, yeah, Gio, get it. Get it, Gio, nice. Everything chrome. All right, let's hear it.
Go ahead, rev it.